Good morning, cadets. Today we have a grammar session. The topic is articles. Articles. A and the are articles. A and they are indefinite articles. The is definite article. An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. A and the are called articles. A and are indefinite articles. The is called definite article. Now let us look at the use of article A. Article A is used before words which begin with consonants. Hope all of you understand consonants. There are 21 consonants in English. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, there are 21 consonants in English alphabets and we use A before words which begin with consonants. Example, a doctor, a big car, a girl, a boy, a car, a television, a guitar, a mango, a nurse. There are some exceptions to the rule. We also use article A before you when it sounds like the word you and before EU if the word begins with consonant or vowel but it has the sound of U, then we use article A. Example, a university. I had told you that we use A before consonants. U is not a consonant, but the sound is Y, Y sound. University. So, we use A university. This is an exception. Another example, a European city. Again, E is not a consonant, but when we pronounce it, the sound appears here, European. So, it's exception. So, we say a European city. Now, let us find out the use of an. We use an before words which begin with vowels. And vowels are 5 in number. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. And we use an before the words which begin with vowels. Example, an apple, an interesting film, an orange, an ox. So, 5 vowels are there in English language and we use an before vowels. Now we have exception to the rule. An is used before words that begin with a silent H. H is there in that spelling, but H is not pronounced. It is silent. So with such words, we use article an. Example, are. We don't say hour. H is silent. We say are. I'll come in an hour. We'll say like that. So are means then we are not pronouncing H. H is silent. So an hour. Another example, an honest man. We don't say honest man. H is silent. So an honest man. So when H is silent and the next word is a vowel, definitely we use an. Now in house we pronounce H. Ha, ha. We say house. So it is a house. Now look at the two sentences. Mary says, what is Mary saying? I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. So what is Joe asking her? Was the CD player expensive? Now, did you see the difference? In the first sentence, I bought a CD player. But Joe is asking, was the CD player expensive? So, Mary has used indefinite article a, but Joe has used definite article the. So, when we are talking about particular thing, then we use article the. So, that is why it is called definite article. We usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. A CD player. When it is talked for the first time, I have a CD player. When I tell you first time, I will say. Then when next day you ask something about the CD player, what will you ask? Madam, the CD player you were talking about yesterday. Because now you know the CD player. It has become a particular CD player. We usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again, because the person or thing becomes particular. So we usually use article the when we talk about the person or thing again. So you remember I had read two sentences. So here the CD player means the one that Mary bought. So it has become a particular CD player. We use a or an with prices, frequencies and speeds. Example, prices. It costs 20 rupees a liter. If I want to say, I'm just saying it costs 50 rupees a liter. Frequency. I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. What is the frequency? I take tea 3 times, 3 cups. Speed. You are driving at 90 miles an hour. H is silent, you remember? We use a or an before hundred, thousand and million. A hundred people, a thousand days. We use a or an for talking about jobs. Example, I am a bank manager. We use article the when there is only one of something. Example, may I turn on the TV? Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. We use the with musical instruments. Example, I play the guitar, Jane plays the violin. Article the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Article a or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. Once again, article the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Article a or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. Example, we use a, an or the before nouns that we want to introduce. Nouns are names of people, places, things, animals. A person, a place, a thing. A is used before beginning with a consonant sound. So all the consonants are here before you. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Example, a boy, a bird. Before a singular noun beginning, a book, a school, a dog. Even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sounds. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these words. A university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. Ab O-N-E, one, we don't say own rupee. O is not pronounced. V sound is coming. 1 rupee. V. So V or W is a consonant. So we have exception to the rule. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. A girl, a clock, a lamb. Article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel. Example, an idiot, an apple. So I told you there are 5 vowels in English language: A, I, E, O, U. Exceptions are before a word beginning with H but it is silent. An honor, an hour, an honest man. Here in these words, H is silent. So when H is silent, we use article an. We use an before words that begin with vowel. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. An orange, an umbrella, an eye. Article the, that is the definite article, is used before unique objects. That means unique, the sun, the sky, the moon, before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific Ocean, before the names of holy books, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Quran. These are holy books. Article the is used. Before the superlative degree. Example, the best, the tallest, the cleverest, the most intelligent, the most wonderful, the shortest, the widest, the largest, the narrowest. So, with superlative degree, article the is used. Before musical instrument. Example, the flute, the violin. Before an adjective to denote a whole class. Now you should understand, when we refer to the old people, so we mean all the old people, the whole class. The rich, that means all the rich people. The poor, all the poor people. So that it denotes whole class. We use article the when we know that there is only one of the particular thing, that is the unique items, the sky, the world, the North Pole. Now, sometimes we don't use any articles. That is, articles are omitted, omission of article, before the names of relation, father, uncle, sister, before the names of material. We don't say the gold, silver, diamond, before proper names, Lotus, Chennai, Priya. We don't say the Priya is coming. No, article is not required. before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom, truth. Before language, Tamil, Hindi, English. Before certain phrases, at noon, by train, on foot.